Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Olwenyi of Ayowecca Uganda, a community-founded non-government organization working on environment and social development.
This is Daniel Oloke, a project coordinator at Ayowecca Uganda. Together with the Great Imagining, we aim to create a greener, fairer and wiser world.
Our team is a community who are passionate about protecting environment from degradation, encroachment, in turn empowering women and children.
We give scholastic materials to the most vulnerable children, train young adolescent girls and women on how to make reusable sanitary towels. We work on nature-based solutions, regenerative agriculture, tree planting, wetland and peatland restoration campaigns, plastic waste and management.
We work in a collaboration with the local communities and local leaders to conserve the environment, promote climate change mitigation and adaptation.
Living in a greener world is better than living surrounded by fossil fuels. Extraction, which leads to heat waves of global warming.
Climate change is real and happening now, having several impacts, including but not limited to scarcity of water, food, and the increasing frequency of extreme weather events in many places all over the world.
Our dream is to respond to urgent crises in our communities by educating, outreaching, advocating, and raising awareness about social and environmental literacy.
Our goal is to reduce the impact of climate change in Uganda and ensure that the natural environment is wisely used and continues to be available to benefit and to be enjoyed by the future generations.
We all depend on nature.
Water is life.
Trees absorb carbon.
Wetlands control floods.
There is no better place than the world where we live.
We all have to work together to make this world a better place.